how to use the calculator in online forms. In this video, we are going to talk about the calculator feature and how you can use it in your forms. After adding some questions, hit the calculator button at the top to start adding points to the answers. It is a quite simple process. Just select the right answer and add a point. It is possible to add points to multiple answers, but in this case, we are only adding points to the right ones. After you finish, click on the calculator settings to enable showing the scores. You can also show their form results and add custom messages to the thank you page. To do that, add a new range by clicking the button and enter a score range. You can write a custom message while or after entering the score range. Hit save and check how it works. Excellent job! Now you can create your advanced forms and quizzes by using the calculator feature. Here is another example. Can you resurrect the matrix? Well, let's see. We have assigned 2 points for each correct answer. And we've added custom messages to let people know how well they did. Let's check it out in action. Almost. Well, at least we know how great your forms will be if you use the calculator feature. To learn more about the calculator feature, visit our help page. The link is in the description.